Hello. So this is a fun question. It says which table contains corresponding x and y values where the value of y is 3 more than the quotient of x and 2. So remember, quotient we are dividing. Quotient, so that's going to be x divided by 2. So our value here, when we were going to write this as a equation, so then y is equal to, so y is equal to 3 plus, whoops, don't know what I hit there. Y is equal to 3 plus the quotient of x over 2. Now look, I can rewrite this. I have an x and I have a constant. So, and whatever is with the x, the coefficient with the x is going to be my slope, because I can write this in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. So now I'm going to rewrite this as y is equal to x over 2 plus 3. Now, I can rewrite the x over 2 to be 1/2 times x, so 1/2 x plus 3. Now that's in slope-intercept form. Now I'm going to see which one of these matches my table. So I'm going to look at, let's see. If x is 0, my y-intercept would be 3. So none of these, I can't eliminate any of these right off the bat looking at that. So I need to look at some of the other options. One of the options that you can do too is put this in your calculator. But here, let's see. When x is equal to 7, so let's plug this in. So we have y is equal to 1/2 times 7 plus 3. So then that's going to give me 0.5 times 7 plus 3, which will give me y is equal to 6.5. Well, that right there, folks. So then that would be the coordinate point. 7, 6.5. Eliminates f. Eliminates h. Gives me g, because that's my, when I plug in x, that gives me 7. And it gives me y as my output, 6.5. It eliminates j. But let's double check. Let's check our next one. So we have y is equal to 1/2 times 10 plus 3. That's going to give us 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. That checks, that checks. That is our answer. I've done 2. Let me do one more. All right, number 17. It says the ball-shaped sphere has a radius of 2.7. Which measure is closest to the volume of a ball in cubic centimeters? So, and we're talking about a sphere. All right, and this is 2.7. And the formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And now remember, you can look that on your star charts. Shoot. Hold on, let's see. I just want to pull up the star reference guide. Okay. If you look in your star, and we're going to look at volume, and we're looking at sphere, look at volume section. So now I have right here, third row right here. Okay, it's 4/3 pi r cubed. So yes. Now I'm just going to plug in those values. So that's going to be 4/3 pi times 2.7 cubed. So let's put this into our handy dandy calculator. We have going to be approximately 82.45 centimeters cubed, which is D. Now be very careful. Make sure that you cube that, because if you don't cube that, I bet you it's going to give you one of those other answer choices. So make sure, star, 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 double check your answer, make sure you are cubing it. I'll see you in the next video where I'll talk about the preceding questions.